Do you see what this is? This is the grave we are digging for the future generations. The plastic bags we use and discard end up here. Do you know how much plastic waste in the form of bags we discard every day? 1,170 tons. Are you feeling thirsty? Drink, drink. While one half of the earth is drying up every day, on the other hand, each person wastes an average of 135 liters of water daily. There are 800 million people who do not have access to clean water. This negligence affects not just us, but all living beings. This earth does not belong only to us. It belongs to animals, birds, plants, aquatic creatures, and all living beings. Let the change start with us. Use electricity economically. Do not waste water. Use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Do not litter. Separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste into separate bins. Encourage everyone to plant trees. Plant as many trees as possible. Let the change start with us. Let us follow the guidelines issued by the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board. Published in Public Interest by Shanthi, Coimbatore.